Greetings everyone. So here's how you can use TrackMate on Camtasia. So basically something like this. Let's get started. So we will use this video by Matt Production for the TrackMate on Camtasia. I've already opened Camtasia. Let me open this video on Camtasia. So here is our video. You can either use shape or text for the TrackMate effect. Let's first try with the circle shape. For that, go to Annotation and click here. This is not exactly a circle, so change this style from basic to bold. You will find a circle here. Let me drag it here. Now adjust and position the shape and press Shift to maintain a perfect circle. You do not need to change the color. You can adjust the video play length here. Now on this I button, right click on it and choose alpha. So this is how it will look. So this is how the video plays. If you do not want a video but a picture, simply replace this video with an image. So this is for the shape. Now if you want to do it for the text, let me delete this. I will also change this to none. Now choose text. You can choose any text you want. I will choose a basic one. Drag it here. Write any text you want. I will write hello. Let me increase the font size. Select all and increase here. And choose any font you want. Make sure it is big in size. Now adjust it as required. Now right click here and choose alpha. So it is working. You can increase the video play time as per your requirements. You can also choose the behaviors. Add any effects to it on the text. Let me quickly add fade. It is done. Now let me play it. So this is how it works. You can shorten this as you want and can make an incredible intro. Now please note, if you want to add other videos to edit, you will require to add it under the video. Simply click here and go to Insert Track to below and add new videos below. If you add videos here, it will not be displayed. So please add the video or images here. We hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.